poured directly into a car, cannot be burned in an airplane, and cannot be used in the kitchen. But when this black liquid enters a huge refinery, an extraordinary journey of transformation begins. Thousands of degrees of heat, huge metal columns, complex chemical reactions. Through all this, that black oil is converted into petrol, diesel, kerosene, LPG, and many other valuable products. In today's video, we will see exactly how this incredible process is completed step by step in the light of science in Iranian oil refineries. Welcome to Factory World. Iran is one of the world's major oil-rich countries. The history of the country's oil industry is more than 100 years old. Iran's oil fields are mainly located in the Zahedan province, the Persian Gulf, and the Caspian Sea. There are currently several large refineries operating in the country. Abadan Refinery, Tehran Refinery, Isfahan Refinery, Tabriz Refinery, and Bandar Abbas Refinery are the backbone of Iran's oil refining sector. Overall, Iran's refining capacity is equivalent to processing millions of barrels of crude oil per day. This huge industrial infrastructure not only meets Iran's domestic energy needs, but also plays a significant role in the overall economy. The journey of oil refining begins underground. Crude oil is extracted from the ground using drilling rigs in Iran's oil fields. This crude oil reaches refineries through pipelines, tanker trucks, and in some cases, sea tankers. Iran's vast pipeline network stretches from north to south. It connects various oil fields to refineries. After reaching the refineries, the crude oil is first stored in large storage tanks. Then, at a certain controlled rate, this oil is sent to the first stage of the refining process. The first step of crude oil after entering the refinery is pre-treatment. This is because crude oil extracted from the ground contains salt, water, sand, and other impurities. If these impurities enter the refining equipment, it can cause serious damage. Pipes can corrode, equipment can be destroyed. In the desalination or desalting process, crude oil is mixed with water and sent to a special container, where an electric field is applied. This electric field helps the salt particles to combine with the water, and the water and oil separate. The salt-mixed water sinks to the bottom, and the clean oil floats to the top. This clean oil is then sent to the next step. This desalination process ensures that all subsequent refining equipment is protected and remains effective for a long time. After desalination, the clean crude oil goes to the atmospheric distillation unit. This is the most basic and important step of the refinery. Here, the oil is first partially vaporized by intense heat in a furnace or furnace. This hot mixture is then sent to a large vertical column called a fractionating column. This column is filled with trays or dishes at different heights. Temperature is highest at the bottom of the column and lowest at the top. Since the boiling points of different hydrocarbon compounds are different, they condense at different heights. The lightest substances, such as LPG and petroleum gas, come out at the top of the column. Then, going down, naphtha is obtained. This is later used to make petrol. Further down, kerosene or jet fuel is obtained. Then diesel and heating oil. The heavy residue comes out at the bottom of the column. This is called the atmospheric residue. This whole process goes on continuously, day and night, 24 hours a day. The heavy residue that comes out of atmospheric distillation still contains many valuable hydrocarbons. But when heated at normal pressure, these heavy substances can burn, break down, and become useless substances. The solution to this problem is vacuum distillation. In this process, the heavy residue is taken to a special distillation column where the pressure is maintained much lower than atmospheric pressure. The boiling point of the substance is reduced at low pressure so that the heavy hydrocarbons can evaporate at low temperatures. This process produces vacuum gas oil, lubricant base stocks, and some other valuable heavy petroleum products. What remains after vacuum distillation is called vacuum residue, which is later used to make bitumen or furnace oil. Cracking is used to convert the heavy oil obtained from the distillation process into more valuable lighter products. Cracking means breaking large hydrocarbon molecules into smaller molecules. In thermal cracking, heavy hydrocarbons are broken down using only high temperatures and high pressure. This is a relatively old technology and is still used in some refineries. Catalytic cracking is more commonly used in modern refineries. In this process, Heavy oil is converted into gasoline, diesel, and other light products at low temperatures with the help of a special catalyst. Fluid catalytic cracking, or FCC unit, is a very important part of modern refineries in Iran. This process provides a large part of the refinery's total gasoline production. Quality control departments and laboratories play a very important role in every modern refinery. Iranian refineries have well-equipped laboratories where product quality is regularly tested. The octane number, vapor pressure, and distillation properties of gasoline are tested. The cetane number, sulfur content, density, and cloud point of diesel are tested. The cold flow properties, flash point, and purity of jet fuel are confirmed. The viscosity and oxidation stability of lubricants are tested. These tests are carried out at every stage of production in every batch. Not only the final product, but also intermediate products are regularly tested. If any product does not meet the specified standards, it is sent for reprocessing. Iran's refined products are produced according to the guidelines of national and international standards organizations. After the refined products are prepared, they are stored in huge storage tanks. These tanks are of different sizes, from small tanks to huge floating roof tanks. There is a separate tank for each product. Distribution from storage is done through pipelines, tankers, trucks, and railway tank cars. Iran's extensive pipeline network delivers refined products to various depots in the country. Products are also exported from seaports by tanker ships.
If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Your support means a lot and helps us create more great content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.